Hello everyone, welcome to Abhijit Sana Maths. In this video, we are solving practice set 1.5 of Maharashtra board class 10. Then please do like, share and subscribe Abhijit Sana Maths. And if you have already subscribed, then thanks for subscribing. In this video, we are solving practice set 1.5. The question is written on this paper. Here we have to write down solution first. Now understand the problem completely. Two numbers differ by 3. The difference in between two numbers are 3. The sum of twice of the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19, and one number is smaller number and another number is greater number. Hence we have to assume, let x be the greater number, and we assume y be the smaller number. Now condition first is given, that write down here condition 1. Condition 1 is two numbers differ by 3, means here these two numbers are differ by 3, means difference between these two numbers are 3. It means that if you subtract smaller number from greater number, the difference is 3. Here the greater number is x and smaller number is y, means if we subtract y from x, we get 3, means difference in between smaller and greater numbers, means if we subtract smaller number from greater number, we get 3. This is the difference in between smaller and greater number. This equation, we get this equation from condition 1, they hence give it equation number 1. Now condition number 2, write down here condition second. Here condition second is sum of the twice the smaller number and the thrice the greater number, means here we have to sum, means addition of two numbers. Here write down plus, here means addition of what? Addition of twice the smaller number. Here the smaller number is y, twice the smaller number means double the smaller numbers, means 2 times of y, that is 2y, means twice of y, and the thrice the greater number. Here greater number is x, 3 times its greater number, means 3 into x, their sum is 19. This is the condition second. This equation we get from condition second. Write down it properly, means write down 3x plus 2y equals to 19. These both equations are same, just rearranged. Now here multiply equation number 1 by 2 on both sides. Then multiply equation 1 by 2 on both sides. If we multiply by 2 equation number 1 on both sides, here the coefficient of y will be minus 2 and then it will be cancelled. Now here 2 into equation 1 is x minus y, means left side is multiplied by 2 and here right side is also multiplied by 2. Now 2 into x, it will be twice of x minus, as it is 2 into y, 2y equals to 2 into 3, 6. Now we get this equation, give it number 3. We get equation number 3, that is 2x minus 2y equals to 6. Now here equation 2 and equation 3, the coefficient of y is plus 2 and coefficient of y is minus 2. If we add equation number 2 and equation number 3, this 2y gets cancelled and y will be eliminated. We will get the value of x, and by getting the value of x, we can easily find the value of y. Now here add equation 2 and equation 3. Here equation 2 is 3x plus 2y equals to 19, and equation 3 is this equation 3. This is equation 3, 2x minus 2y equals to 6. We have to add, means give here plus sign. By adding y, what we get? 3x plus 2x it will be 5x, 2y minus 2y it will be get cancelled here. Now 19 plus 6 it will be 25. Here we get 5 of x equals to 25. Then x will be equals to 25 divided by 5. It is 5 times divisible by 5. We get x equals to 5 here. By putting x equals to 5 in equation number 1, then put x equals to 5 in equation 1. This is equation number 1. In equation, the equation 1 is x minus y equals to 3. We have to put the value of x, that is 5. Write down here 5 minus y equals to 3. Now here 5, change of side of this 3, it will become on this side and it will become minus 3, and minus y on change of side it will become plus y. 5 minus 3, that is 2, equals to y. It means y equals to 2. We get the values of x and y. We get x equals to 5 and y equals to 2. But here what is x? X is the greater number. X is greater number. Therefore 5 is greater number and this 2 is smaller number. Question number 2 in practice set 1.5. Here the figure is given of a rectangle and its 4 sides are given in the linear form of the equations. Now we have to find the values of x and y, and then we have to find the perimeter and area of this rectangle. Now in the solution part, draw this rectangle and label its length and breadth. This size is greater, that's why it is length and it is breadth. Now here let us suppose that this is A B C D rectangle, means it is a ABCD rectangle. In ABCD, in rectangle ABCD, we see that AB is equal to or congruent to side DC, means side AB is equal to side DC or DC, because these are the opposite sides of rectangle, opposite sides of rectangle. Now here length of side AB is 4x minus y. Write down here 4x minus y equals to, as it is side DC equals to 2x plus y plus 8, that is 2x plus y plus 8. Now on solving this we get 4x minus y, as it is now shift of this 2x plus y on left hand side, it will become 2x become minus 2x and plus y become minus of y equals to as it is, and no change of side of 8, means 8 remains as it is. Now on solving this we get 4x minus y it will be minus of 2y minus of 2x equals to 8. Now here 4x minus 2x, that will be twice of x minus 2y as it is equals to 8. We get this equation from this side. Now here give it number 1. Now look at here, in this rectangle side AD is equal to or congruent to side CB. Then write down here side AD is equal to CB. Here side AD is equal to side BC or CD, because these are also the opposite sides of a rectangle. Write down here opposite sides of rectangle. Now here the side AD is given 2y, means the value of AD is 2y. Write down here 2y equals to, as it is side CD, the value of side CD is given x plus y. Then write here x plus 4, sorry, it is x plus 4. Then write x plus 4 here. Now change of side, it will be x plus 4 equals to twice of y. Now here x Now change of side of 2y, minus 2y plus 4 equals to 0. Now here x minus 2y equals to minus 4 on change of this side. Now we get the new equation, that is x minus 2y equals to minus 4. Give it equation number 2. Now here we get two equations, that is first equation is 2x minus 2y equals to 8 and second equation is x minus 2y equals to minus 4. Now here the coefficient of y is minus 2 and here coefficient of y is minus 2. That's why we are on subtracting. Then subtract equation 2 from equation 1, or you can subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Now subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Equation 2 is, that is x minus 2y equals to minus of 4 and equation 1 is 2x minus 2y equals to 8. Now subtract means here minus sign. Now it will be minus of x and this will be plus of plus and here will be minus. Now x minus 2x, it will be minus of x and this will be cancelled. We get minus 4 and minus 8, it will be minus of 12. We get minus of x equals to minus of 12, or therefore x equals to 12. Minus minus get cancelled. Put x equals to 12 in equation, either you can put in 1 or in equation 2. We are putting in equation 2 here. Now equation 2 implies as equation 2 is x minus 2y equals to minus 4. This is equation number 2. Now put the value of x equals to 12. Now here I am putting 12 minus as it is minus 2y as it is equals to minus of 4. Now here minus of 2y as it is equals to as it is minus 4 as it is. Now 12 on change of side, it will be minus of 12. Here it will be minus of 2y equals to minus 4 minus 12, it will be minus of 6. Now here minus minus get cancelled. 2y will be equals to plus 16. We get the value of y, 2y equals to 16. Then here 2y equals to 16, then y will be equals to 16 divided by 2. Here y equals to 16 divided by 2, the value is 8. Here we get x equals to 12 and y equals to 8. Then write down x equals to 12 and y equals to 8. Now here we have to find the value of length and breadth. In this figure you can see that this is the larger side, that's why it is length. Then length equals to L equals to 4x minus y this side or this side, that is 2x plus y plus 8. If we put the values of x and y here, we can easily find the value of length. Therefore L will be equals to, either you put the value of x and y here or you can put the values of x and y here. Now we are putting the values of x and y here. Now 4 as it is, the value of x is 12 minus as it is, the value of y is 8. Now here it is simple multiplication and subtraction. Now 12 into 4, it will be 48 minus 8. 48 minus 8, it will be 40. We get the length L equals to 40. Now we have to find breadth. We can easily find breadth. This may be breadth. Now here breadth, B-R-E-A-D-T-H, breadth equals to B equals to, either it may be 2y or it may be x plus 4. You can find the value of breadth, either you putting value in 2y or you can put the value of x in here and you can find the value. Now breadth B equals to 2 into y, that is the value of y is 8. Now here put 8 here and it will be 2 into 8, it will be 16. 2 into 8, it will be 16. We get the values of L and B. Here L equals to 40, that is length, and here B equals to 16. Now we have to find the perimeter of this rectangle. We know the formula for the perimeter of the rectangle, that is perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 times L plus breadth. Here 2 as it is, the value of L is 40 put 40, plus as it is the value of b is 16, put 16 here. Now it is simple calculation, that is 2 as it is 40 plus 16 it will be 56, 2 multiplied by 56 it will be 112. This is the perimeter of rectangle. Now we have to find the value of area of rectangle. The area of rectangle is simple. We know the formula, that is length into breadth. We know the value of L, that is 40, put 40 here, into B, the value of B is 16, put 16 here. Now it is simple calculation. On calculating we get 640. Hence we find the area of rectangle, perimeter and the values of X and Y. Now third question of practice set 1.5. Let us read the problem. The sum of father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. If we double the age of father and add it to the age of his son, the sum is 95. Find their present age. Write down the solution part. Now here two conditions are given. The first condition is that the sum of father's age and twice the age of his son is 70, and the second condition is if we double the age of father and add it to the age of his son, their sum is 95. Means two conditions are provided. Now here we have to assume the father's age and the age of his son. Now let us assume, let X be the father's age, and Y be the age of his son. Now we get the age of his father, that is X, and Y is the age of his son. We don't know their age, that's why we assumed X and Y variables. Now according to condition 1, now write down here condition 1. The condition 1 is given that the sum of father's age and twice the age of his son, means here sum is given, that's why write down here plus, means whose sum? The father's age sum, means father's age sum. Father's age is X, means you have to write X plus, and whose sum? With father's age is sum with twice the age of his son, means we have to double or twice the age of his son. Now here the age of his son is Y, write down here Y. Now on adding the father's age and twice the age of his son, their sum is 70 given here. Now this is condition 1, we get equation number 1. Now write down here. Now condition 2, condition second, here condition second is given that if we double the age of father, means father age is X years, if we double means twice of X, means double the age of father and add it to the age of his son, and add means here plus comes, it to the age of his sons, means we have to add double age of his father to the age of his son. Here his son's age is Y, therefore write down here plus Y equals to, when we add it sum is 95, then write down here 95. This is the second equation which we get from equation condition second. Now we have to solve these two equations. Multiply equation 1 with 2 on both sides. Means equation number 1 is this, we have to multiply 2 on left side and right side also, means 2 into X plus 2Y, the left side of equation 1 equals to 2 into 70. Now here 2 into X it will be 2X plus 2 into 2Y it will be 4Y equals to, as it is 2 into 70 it will be 140. Now we get equation number 3. Now subtract equation 2 from equation 3. Equation 3 is 2x plus 4y equals to 140. This is equation number 3, and we have to subtract equation number 2, that is 2x plus y equals to 95 from this equation number 3. Now we have to subtract, means you have to give minus sign here. Minus sign will changes all signs of second equation, plus become minus, plus become minus, plus become minus. Now here 2x minus 2x get cancelled, 4y minus y, it will be 3y equals to 140 minus 95, that is 45. Here we get 3y equals to 45. Therefore y will be equals to 45 divided by 3. Therefore y equals to 15. When we divide 3 to 45, that is 15. Now here we get the value of y equals to 15. Now when we put the value of y either in equation 2 or in equation 3 or in equation 1, wherever you feel convenient you can put. We are putting the value in equation 2. Put y equals to 15 in equation 2. Equation 2 is 2x plus y equals to 95. Now here you have to put y equals to 15, 2x as it is plus as it is, instead of y you have to put 15, then write down 15 here equals to 95, then 2x as it is equals to as it is 95 minus this 15 will go on this side and will become minus. Now here twice of x equals to 95 minus 15, it will be 80. Now here twice of x equals to 80, then x will be equals to 80 divided by 2 equals to 40. Now we get the value of x equals to 40. Now but what is x and what is y? X is the age of father, x is the age of his father, and y is the age of his son. Now here therefore we can write x equals to 40 is the age of father and y equals to 15 is the age of his son. Practice set 1.5. Question number 4 is the denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both the numerator and the denominator are reduced by 6. Then find the fraction. Write down the solution part. Understand this question thoroughly. Now here we have to find the fraction. We don't know the fraction, that's why assume the fraction. Let the fraction be x by y. We don't know the fraction, that's why we assume the fraction as x by y. When we assume the fraction as x by y, then x is the numerator and y will be the denominator. Y is the denominator. Now here we get the numerator and denominator in the form of variables. Now according to the condition 1, what is the first condition? The denominator of a fraction, that is denominator is y, means y is 4 more than twice its numerator, means when the value of this denominator, that is y, is equal to 4 more means we have to plus 4 than twice its numerator, means you have to make twice of numerator, means double the numerator. The numerator is x. To take twice of numerator you have to multiply it by 2, it will become twice of x. And 4 more means we have to add 4 in this twice of the numerator, and we get equation this equation is y equals to twice x plus 4. Now here we can write it as 2x plus 4 equals to y. Now change of sides. Now here we can write it as 2x minus y equals to change of y. It goes on left side, it becomes minus, and here 4 will become minus 4 here on coming on right side. Now this is the equation. Give it number 1 and it get us from condition 1. Condition 1. We get this equation from condition 1. Write down here condition 1. Okay. Second condition is that denominator become 12 times the numerator. Means denominator, that is y, becomes 12 times the numerator, means 12 times of this numerator. But when the condition is provided that if and only if both the numerator and the denominator are reduced by 5, 6, when the numerator and denominator are reduced by 6, it will be this condition applied, that is denominator become 12 times the numerator. Then reduce both numerator and denominator by 6. Means on reducing the numerator and denominator, the numerator will be that x minus 6 on reducing, and denominator will be y minus 6. It becomes when numerator and denominator both are reduced by 6. But when it reduced by 6, the condition second is applied. The condition second is that denominator becomes, now here denominator is y minus 6, means y minus 6 becomes 12 times the numerator, 12 times of numerator. This numerator x minus 6, it condition is applied when it is reduced by 6, means this condition we get. Now here on solving this, y minus 6 as it is 12 into x, it will be 12 of x minus 6, 72. Now here we get 12x minus 72 equals to y minus 6, change of both sides. Now solve this. 12x as it is, now this plus y become minus y. Now here minus 72 will become plus 72 minus 6 as it is. Now we get 12x minus y equals to 72 minus 6, it will be 66. This is equation number 2, which we get from condition second condition. Write down here condition second, means this we get from this condition 2. Now here equation number 1 is this 2x minus y equals to minus 4, and equation number 2 is 12x minus y equals to 66. Here the coefficient of y is minus 1, here the coefficient of y is minus 1. Therefore on subtracting, then subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Equation 2 is this 12x minus y equals to 66. We have to subtract equation number 1, that is equation number 1 is this 2x minus y equals to minus 4. Therefore write down here 2x minus y equals to minus of 4. Now minus sign will change the sign of second equation, that is plus 2 become minus will become plus, and this minus plus will become plus. Now here 12x minus 2x, it will be 10x minus y plus y will be cancelled here, and here 66 plus 4, it will be 70. Now we get 10 of x equals to 70, then x will be equals to 70 by 10, it is 7, means we get x equals to 7. Then put x equals to 7 in either equation 1 or in equation 2. We are putting in equation 1. Equation 1 implies is, that is 2x minus y equals to minus of 4. Then put the value of 7 instead of x, that is 2 into 7 minus y equals to minus of 4. Now here 2 into 7, it will be 14 minus y as it is equals to minus of 4. Now here 14 minus 4 goes on this side, it will become plus 4, and minus y on going this side, it will become plus y. Now 14 plus 4 equals to 18 equals to y. Therefore y equals to 18. We get the value of x We get here the value of x equals to 7 and y equals to 18, but our answer is fraction, means the required fraction is x by y, means the value of x is 7 divided by 18. This is our fraction. Practice set 1.5, question number 5. Here the question is given. Let's check what is given in the problem. Two type of boxes, that is A and B, are to be placed in the truck having capacity of 10 tons. Here you can put or place the A type of boxes and B type of boxes. Here condition 1 is given that when 150 boxes of type A, means A type of boxes, quantity of 150 boxes and quantity of 100 boxes of B type are loaded in the truck, it weighs 10 tons. Means after loading of 50 boxes of A type and 100 boxes of B type, the capacity of this truck is 10 tons. But when second condition is that when 260 boxes of type A, means 260 boxes of type A are loaded, their space remains only to keep 40 boxes of B type after putting 260 boxes of A type. Thus space remains for putting or for accommodation of the B type of boxes is only 40 boxes. Means after keeping 260 boxes of A type, you can keep only 40 boxes of this boxes of B type. This is second condition. Fully loading capacity of this truck is 10. Here the condition is given that in a truck having capacity of 10 tons, means it has only 10 ton capacity of putting or keeping or accommodation of the boxes. Now here we have to find the weight of each type of box. Now moving to the solution part of this problem. We don't know how many boxes of A type and how many boxes of B type. Then assume, let x be the weight of single box of type A. Means A type of boxes, their weight of single box is x. We don't know, that's why we assume it as x. Therefore for weight of 150 boxes of A type will be 150 into, for each box the weight is x, therefore multiplied by x, there will be 150 into x, it will be 150 of x. This is the weight of 150 boxes of A type. Now we have to find the 100 boxes, weight for 100 boxes of B type. We don't know the single. Here assume and let y be the weight of single box of type B. Means for single box of type B, let it be y. Therefore weight of 100 boxes of B type boxes. Means for weight of 100 boxes of B type boxes, it will be 100 multiplied by y, because y is the weight of single box, that's why it is multiplied by 100. Then we will get the weight of 100 box, it will be 100 of y. Now here the condition first is given that when 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in the truck, it weighs 10 tons. Means then according to condition 150 boxes of A type, means it weighs 150 into x. This is the weight of 150 boxes of A type plus 100 boxes of B type, means 100 into y, it will be the weight of 100 boxes of B type. The weight will be 10 tons. Here given it weighs 10 tons. It weighs 10 tons. Therefore write down here 10. This is, we get this equation. Now here 10, take 10 common, take 10 outside, it will remain 50x plus 10y equals to 10 into 1. Here 10 gets cancelled, we get equation 15 of x plus 10 of y equals to 1. Give it equation number 1, we get it from condition 1. It is the simplified form of this equation. Now according to condition 2, here condition 2 is that, but when 260 boxes of type A means 260, similarly it will be 260 into type A boxes, means for each box the weight of A box is x, therefore it will be multiplied with 260, it will become 260x. 260x is the weight of 260 boxes of type A. Now it will be 260x. After loading 260 boxes of type A, there is space accommodation for box B is only 40, means after keeping these 260 boxes, there is, we can keep only 40 boxes of B type. For each B type box it weighs y, therefore it will be multiplied with 40 and becomes 40y. Then the equation is 260 plus 40y equals to but boxes of type B, so that it will be fully loaded. In according to second condition, if you keep 260 boxes of A type, that is 260 into x, and 40 boxes of B type, that is 40 into y, it will be fully loaded. But here the full loading capacity of this truck is a truck having capacity of 10 tons, means here full loading it will be 10 of ton. Now here 10 is common, by taking 10 common it will remains 26x plus 4y equals to 10 into 1. Now here also 10 gets cancelled, we get equation 26 of x plus 4 of y equals to 1. This is equation number 2. Now we get two equation, that is equation number 1, that is 15x plus 10y equals to 1, and equation number 2, that is 26 of x plus 4y equals to 1. Now we have to solve these two equations. Now multiply equation 1 by 2 on both sides, means it will be multiplied by 2 on both sides. 2 into that, equation number 1 is 15 of x, 15x plus 10y equals to 2 into 1, because we are multiplying it by 2 on both sides. Now 2 into 15x it will be 30 of x plus 2 into 10y it will be 20 of y equals to 2 into 1, it is 2. Now here we get equation, give it number 3. Now multiply equation 2 by 5 on both sides. 5 into 26x plus 4y into here is equals to 5 into 1 is equals to 5 into 1. Now here 5 into 26x it will be 130 of x plus 5 into 4y it will be 20 of y equals to 5. Now it is equation number 4. Now we get two equation, that is equation number 3 and equation number 4. Subtract equation 3 from equation 4. Now here equation 4 is 130 of x plus 20 of y equals to 5, and equation number 3 is 30 of x plus 20 y equals to 2. Now write down your subtraction sign. Subtraction sign will change the sign of this second equation sign. Now it will be minus, plus will be minus, and this plus 2 sign will be minus. 130x minus 30 it will be 100 of x plus 20y minus 20y will cancel. Now here 5 minus 2 it will be 3. Here we get 100 of x equals to 3, therefore x will be equals to 3 divided by 100. Now we get the value of x equals to 3 by 100. Put x equals to 3 by 100 in equation 1. Here equation 1 is 15x plus 10y equals to 1. We know the value of x is now 3 by 100 here. Now put 3 by 100 instead of x, therefore it will be 3 by 100 plus 10 of y equals to 1. Now here 15 into 3, it will be 45 divided by 100 plus 10 of y equals to 1. Now here the value of 10y will be 1 minus this 45 divided by 100 will be shifted on this right side, and it will be minus of 45 by 100. Now on calculating, it will get 10y equals to, now here 1 into 100 minus 45, cross multiplication divided by, now here denominator is common. Now 1 into 100, it will be 100 minus 45 divided by 100. Now it is the value of 10y. We get 10y equals to 100 minus 45, it is 55 divided by 100. That is the value of 10y equals to 55 by 100. Now therefore we have to find the value of y. The value of y will becomes 55 divided by 100. Now here 10 is in multiplication, on shift top side it will be multiplied with denominator, therefore it will be denominator multiplied with denominator by 10. Now here we get 55 upon 100 into 10, it will be 1000. Now the value of y we get 55 upon 1000 here. Now moving towards the last question, question number 6 of practice set 1.5. Now question is, out of 900 kilometer, we shall travel some distance by bus and some by aeroplane. Means we shall travels 1900 kilometers total journey. Means here write down, we shall traveled total 1900 kilometer. We shall travel some distance by bus and some by aeroplane. We don't know how many kilometers he traveled by bus and how many kilometers he traveled by aeroplane. That's why we are assuming, let we shall travel x kilometers by bus and we shall travel y kilometers by aeroplane. Here according to first condition 1, he total travels 1900 kilometer, then by bus he travels x kilometer and by aeroplane he travels y kilometer. Means total journey, that is summation of x plus y will becomes 1900. This is equation number 1. Now here we know the formula for time, that is time equals to distance divided by speed. This is nothing but the formula for time. Now here according to this formula we can find or calculate the time required for traveling by bus and time required for traveling by aeroplane. Now here time required by Vishal while traveling by bus will be equals to Vishal distance he traveled is x, we assume, divided by speed. The speed of Vishal by bus is 60 km, therefore write down here 60 per hour. Now this is the speed of Vishal while traveling by bus. Now according to condition 2, time required by Vishal while traveling by aeroplane equals to y by 700. Y distance he travels y distance by plane and speed is 700. Therefore by putting in this formula, distance covered by aeroplane y and speed is 700, therefore by putting we get y by 700 per hour. But here it takes 5 hours to complete journey. Means when he travel by bus and by plane, means it takes 5 hours to complete, means then according to condition 2, here time required by bus, that is x by 60, plus time required by aeroplane, that is y by 700, and he takes 5 hours, means it will be total journey will be of 5 hours. Now we multiply 100 to both sides. This 2100 is LCM of 60 and 700. Now here 2100 into x by 60 plus y by 700 equals to 2100 multiplied with 5 here. 2100 multiplied by x by 60, now plus 2100 multiplied by this y by 700. 2100 multiplied with y by 700 equals to 2100 into 5, it will be then 2100 divided by 60, it will get 35 of x plus 2100 divided by 700, we get 3y equals to 10,500. This is equation number 2 we get. Now we get equation number 1, that is x plus y equals to 900, and equation number 2, that is 35x plus 3y equals to 10,000. Sorry, here 10,500 here. Equation 1 is x plus y equals to 1900, multiply equation 1 by 3, then here the coefficient of pi will be 3. Now here 3 into x plus y equals to 3 into this 1900, multiply 3 on both sides, we get 3x plus 3y equals to, here 3 into 1900, it will be 5700. This is equation number 3 we get two equation, that is equation 2, that is 35 of x plus 3y equals to 10,500, that is equation number 2, and equation number 3 is 3x plus 3y equals to 5,700. This is equation number 3. Now subtract equation 3 from equation 2, that is 35 of x plus 3y equals to 10,500 minus 3x plus 3y equals to 5,700. Now here minus sign will change the sign of this, minus, it will be minus, and it will be minus. Now 35x minus 3, it will be 32 of x. Now plus 3y minus 3y get cancelled, 10,500 minus 5,700, simple subtraction, it will be 1,800. Now we get 32 of x equals to 4,800. Now here the value of 32 of x is 4,000, therefore x will become 4,800 divided by 32. On simple division, the value of x we get 150, that is 4,800 divided by 32, the value is 150. We get x equals to 150. Here x is nothing but the speed of Vishal while traveling by bus we have, therefore 150 kilometer per hour is speed of Vishal while traveled by bus.